Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to sort data in Google Sheets. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to sort. Now click on the columns and go to the data menu at the top of your screen. In the data menu, select Sort Sheet. Now you can choose to sort A to G for ascending order or G to A for descending order. Now click on it. You will notice that the selected columns are sorted. Now customize your data based on your needs. That's it, you have learned how to sort in Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.